All right, guys, we're gonna try some ice racing with the RC cars. NPC FPV is here with us. They're gonna be flying the drones around. I've got some ice tires on the Limitless. I got some screws going through the tire there to provide some grip. We've also got the airboat here. This is the Pro boat, and Noah's gonna give it a run. And we got the Mojave and a couple of Kratons and the little Losi Mini. And we're going to be running around on this this frozen lake, so we're going to get to it.
That works perfect! You got some major speed, guys. It's actually not very hard difficult to drive. All the fish to the very bottom.
Put my money on that crate.
Yeah. Are we gonna ruin your? Yeah, that one there's a Kraton.
Yeah, that's one. I had a bunch of these. That's one of the best vehicles ever.
Yeah, we got two of them.
Yeah.
We're not gonna ruin your fishing, are we?
No, have a ball.
All right.
I just sold 10 of these in a lot for about $500.
Really?
Yeah. Had a great big Yeti.
A bunch of them. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep, got clear out of it.
Heck yeah.
Some guy got a hell of a deal, didn't know what he was getting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, get him out of my garage.
You right?
That's the deal right there.
Yeah, we have a blast with those. Oh, that is sick.
Right, I'm sorry if I got a little too close.
That was awesome.
awesome
I bet you did. You were right up on it.
Looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah. We're gonna send this one out. It's got some tires I made that will grip the ice.
Oh, okay.
This drone will follow this GPS device. So anywhere the car drives, this drone will follow it.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah. video. Hey, look at this
Is it watching you?
stop. Hey, I hit the
It was disconnected from the Wi-Fi from both of them.
Oh,
So I guess it wanted to watch you.
I got up on it a little bit and it like yawed around and faced me and it went around me.
Yeah, it's crazy. That thing's nuts. See, look here. It sees all the targets.
Yeah, like it identifies. Man, that is so cool.
Yeah.
That AI is so good.
And then whichever one you tap on, it'll follow. It's just nuts.
I love that. It's a very good company too. That's pretty cool.
Dude, this man just caught a drone.
The mice tires work great. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, that'll do it for us. All of our batteries are dead. We had a blast running all the cars on the ice. So we appreciate NPC FPV for the awesome FPV footage. And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.